Introducing Power Dumpster Rental, the top choice for dumpster rental in Eunice, Louisiana. Whether managing a residential cleanout, overseeing a home renovation, or coordinating a commercial construction project, Power Dumpster Rental ensures that your waste disposal needs are met professionally and efficiently. We offer a comprehensive range of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of any scale. Our dumpsters are well maintained and designed to handle all types of waste, ensuring your cleanup process is seamless and stress-free. With a focus on customer satisfaction and years of industry expertise, Power Dumpster Rental is your trusted partner for all waste management needs. Our team of experienced professionals is committed to providing superior service, ensuring your waste disposal experience is efficient and hassle-free. At Power Dumpster Rental, we prioritize your convenience and property safety. We deliver on time and precisely place your dumpster, ensuring it fits perfectly in the designated space without disrupting your daily activities. Ready to experience hassle-free waste management in Eunice, Louisiana? Call 337-784-1927 or visit our website at www.powerdumpster.com. Dumpster Rental Eunice, LA. Power Dumpster Rental, empowering cleanups, enhancing communities.